In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the window regulator on your Subaru Impreza. Using a small pick, lift up on the little door inside of the little handle. There's going to be a Phillips head screw. Remove that screw. Side of the door handle, there's going to be one more little door. Lift up on that, pull it back, and there's going to be one more Phillips head. Remove that as well. You can use a trim tool to get up under this door panel and pop all of the clips off, or you can kind of jam your fingers up under the plastic on this corner and give it one nice pull straight towards you. And remove all the clips. Pull the door panel straight up. Remove the two cables. Remove the connectors out of the window switch, pushing on the little tab and pulling out. We're going to pull back the plastic barrier on the door. While doing this, be sure to be careful not to rip the plastic. Pull the plastic up and you can stick it to itself right here. Using a trim removal tool, we're going to remove the clips. For this white panel. And there's one more tucked up under here, but we're just going to slide it off. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to undo these two 10mm bolts. We're going to use a bit of painter's tape to hold up our window. We're going to push the window straight up. And we can grab it and pull it to the top. You don't want the glass falling on you during this. It can shatter in the door, make a big mess, and possibly hurt you. Remove the three 10mm screws. Remove these two 10mm bolts. You can go inside of the plastic. Remove the two bolts. Remove the connector off the window motor. And remove the assembly. Reinstall the window regulator. Install the connector. Push until you hear it click. Tilt it up. And there's this little hook right here that'll hold it for you. Grab your two top screws. Start the bottom screws. Go around and snug them all down. Do the same thing on the top ones. Undo the tape for the window. Once you can get a hand on the bottom, fully remove the tape. Let the window down slowly. Install the screws and then snug them down. Reinstall this white cover. We're going to insert it into the top clip first, and then clip these two into the door. Pull your plastic down and re-stick it. Install the connectors into the window switch. Install the black cable into the handle and the yellow one into the lock. Check to make sure that everything's connected before you put the door back on. Install the door panel, lift it up, push it down. Now we're going to push on the outside of the door and connect all of our pins. Give it a little pull, make sure it's connected. Reinstall the Phillips head screw. Push the little door down. Do the same thing on this one. Snug down the screw. Close the door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.